You expect me to remember what I just said. You're making me uncomfortable. Ooh, a card. 2 of spades. Doubles my keys.
Okay, so Austin.
Yes, Nathaniel.
What is the sine squared of b over a?
BA is your bachelor's degree. Wait.
Plus the cosine squared of c over a.
So C over BA plus Q is a squiggle. Right?
Equals 1.
Well, is 1 a squiggle?
No.
So 1 does not equal... is less than or equal to squiggle.
Okay, what about 1 plus the tangent squared of x?
Well, obviously tangents are squared by 2.37. 1409. So if you take those numbers and put it into an equation, you get pi. Oh no.
What about 1 plus the cotangent squared of theta?
Theta plus the tangent plus 1 is the cosine of 32.
I think you just cured cancer.
I think so.
I'm a genius. Don't mess with me. Arrgh. Are you waiting for me to cure AIDS too?
Yes. Come on, Schmidt, help me out with that little problem.
What, do you have AIDS?
You don't know. Come on, cure AIDS.
3.17. You thought I was going to say 4, but you're wrong. 3.17. We've been wrong about pi for 32 years.
You get it?
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay. The radius of the unit circle is always 1, so obviously sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1.
I'm sorry, Nathaniel, that was incorrect.
Why don't you tell me the right answer, Schmidt?
The right answer is tau.
Do you even know what tau is?
It's twice pi.
Do you know why? What was her name? Vihart or something invented it?
Because it makes processes simpler.
Do you know which process it makes simpler?
Circles.
Almost. Close enough.
I paid close attention to her videos. I feel like it made me more intelligent. Would you agree to this, Nathaniel? This hypotenuse? I'm good at trigonometry, too.
Well, please tell us.
Schmidt, what are the 6 trigonometric functions?
Well, first you pull a trigger.
Keep going.
Then you add 3.17 to it. Because like I said earlier, we've had pi wrong for all these years.
Are you aware of this, Nathaniel? You are a pi aficionado, are you not?
Just do a little research on the internet.
Do you trust everything you read on the internet, Schmidt?
92% of all things. 3.17. Did you know we could also have 2 decimal numbers in a number? It allows for bigger and more broader numbers. So 3.1.27 is actually 3.147.
Schmitty,
Remember that next time you're trying to sleep at night.
Keep going, Schmitty.
That a lone wolf is out here protecting the innocent with his numbers.
Keep on, Schmitty. Keep on.
Keep on, keeping on.
You need to help Nathaniel with his calculus.
So to calculate calculus, for the most part, you need a calculator. That's just geometrics. I feel like you guys are skeptical about my findings.
Skeptical?
I'm very skeptical.
I'm not skeptical. Keep going.
I have to figure out these other ones.
I can help you with that.
Please do.
First, he has to read me the problem.
Go,
I'm not a
Nathaniel.
magician. I just know math really well.
Sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta times cosine theta.
Okay, first you multiply the cosine by theta 2. And then after that you take a part of pi, not the whole pi, only a fourth of pi. And you multiply it by the rest of the fourth.
Schmitty, can I interrupt, Professor?
No.
No, I need to ask you a question, Professor.
You're not allowed to interject during
No.
lessons.
How can there be a fourth of an infinite number? Can you explain that?
Well, I have calculated by my vast knowledge of mathematics that there is no such thing as infinite numbers. Numbers end when we find the amount of money to fill the universe 3 times over.
Oh, Mr. Professor.
Excuse me, that's Dr. Mr.
Dr. Mr. Professor. Can you tell me the cosine of pi over 4?
There is no such thing.
But sir, my calculator says that it equals the square root of 2 over 2.
Calculators are controlled by the government. And where the government lies, there will never be truth of cosines.
I think I've ever noticed been put in question.
Oh god. I forgot this was the mom boss fight. Oh, I'm not prepared. Oh, I'm gonna lose.
Use your math powers.
Okay, 3.17.6241733201.5.
Nathaniel, are you enlightened now?
And you thought you were gonna teach me math. This is new math to me.
I don't know anything anymore.
I know this is hard for you to believe, Nathaniel, but you have to trust me. This is for the good of mankind. I'm fighting Mom, by the way, Laura.
I know.
How do you feel, Nathaniel? I don't know if enlightened is... I don't know if enlightened is not a strong enough word.
He died.
You died? Are you serious?
Yeah, I killed her and then I died. I don't know why.
You suck.
Something exploded and it hurt me.
Nathaniel, how are you gonna go on about your actual problems here?
I think on my math test on Tuesday, I'll just say calculators are controlled by the government.
And without the government, there will never be any truth of cosines. Okay, any closing remarks, Professor?
Mr. Dr. Professor.
Oh, excuse me. Any closing remarks, Mr. Dr. Professor, sir?
It's good to floss, especially between your tangents.
Word.
I'll take that to my grave.